Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are doing well and enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a very interesting topic, and the title of the project is Car Social Network. Basically, we have heard about social network where peoples will communicate, okay, knowing persons, unknowing persons throughout the world, they can communicate with each other. But here, there is a concept we are implementing here, car social network. With this, we are assuming that we can communicate with the drivers. Okay, one car driver with one vehicle driver can communicate with another vehicle in terms of some information or some message to needs to be passed. Okay, so for an example, we encounter so many issues related to parking, like someone has parked their vehicle in front of my office now, and I don't know where that person is about. He went to some shopping mall, he went to some, okay, fifth floor, sixth floor. When he is going to return back, I don't have any idea. I need to contact the owner, the driver of that vehicle, and inform him that your vehicle is parked unnecessarily in front of my office. Kindly take necessary action. I have to do some important work. So this information we have to pass to the driver. Now, what is the communication mean we have? We don't have any communication mean in terms of communicating to the driver or owner of the vehicle. So here we are trying to connect so many situations are there. I can give plenty of examples. I have just given you one example. We have plenty of examples where we sometimes we need to communicate with the owner or driver of the vehicle, okay, for some serious problems. Okay, so here we are implementing the concept car social network. This is the landing page of our project. Let me tell you what are the technologies we are using. We are using here for front-end development HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript. And for backend programming, we are using Python along with the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python, which is used to develop web applications. And for database, we are using MySQL. This is the user interface, the landing page you can see. Now, this project is having two different types of users. One is the administrator and another is the normal user we can consider, or the driver or vehicle owner we can consider. Let's try to execute this project step by step. To execute the project very well in a very smooth flow, I will open these two different users in different tabs. Let me open administrator in one tab and next user in another tab. Now, let's try to go to user and register user here. Registration, okay, full name, let's say my name here, email address. Kindly provide valid email ID because we are going to receive some SMS and email here. License plate we need to, okay, upload here. Let's say this is my license plate, or this. Preview will be displayed. Profile picture we can upload here. Now, while registering, we are having the option here. How would you like to be contacted? Through email, through SMS, through call. Okay, user can select any option here or multiple options. Okay. Do you want your details to be visible? Yes. Register. Registration completed successfully. Now, here I will try to register another user for better execution process. Password, license plate. All these images are available in the dataset folder. Now let's select the license plate. Okay. How would you like to be contacted? I don't want to display my information. Register. Please select your profile photo. Okay. Register. This user also registered successfully. Let's try to log in. Sign in. Your ID is pending for registration. So here, uh, directly users after registration, they will not be able to log in unless and until administrator authorize their account. Okay. So you can see here when I'm trying to log in here, it is displaying me some error message about my account activation. Let's go to administrator and log in with admin here. This is the dashboard we are displaying for administrator, a simple user interface like dashboard. The information is pending users, how many are there, all users and interactions, how many interactions have been made through this application and how many feedbacks or reviews are there. Under user management, you can see we have the option here, pending users. Let's go to there and we have got here 2 users. Okay, waiting for their account activation and license plate number. You can see we have extracted the license plate number. Let's try to accept this user. Accepted, accept, accepted. Under all users, we will see here these 2 users are account is accepted. Let's try to log in now. Login successful. Okay. Now this is the dashboard where we can see here connect. Okay, as this is a project for connecting the drivers. So connect is the option and we can search here. We can scan the, okay, we can upload the image of the number plate here. Let's try that. So let's upload this image. A preview will be displayed to you. Search. And you can see here the driver's details. You cannot see driver's details of this license plate because the particular driver has made the information private. It's not public. At the time of registration, we have seen that the details were made private. So we cannot see the details. But still, so here you can see the concern about the privacy is also maintained. That is very important. It's not like easily anyone can scan it and get the details. The concern about the privacy is also matter that is maintained in this project. Now, but still, even though we are unable to see the driver details, we will be able to connect with these 3 options through call, through SMS, through email. Let's click on email. And what message do we want to provide? Your vehicle is parked in front of my office. Kindly come fast and okay, take action. Something. Send. So now here the mail will be sent to the user. Okay, email sent successfully. If I go to my interactions, you will see here this driver profile is private and driver license is this, driver name private, private, private. Okay, interaction type is email and message is this and the date and time is this. My profile, this is my profile. If I want, I can update anything from here. Next, feedback is there. I can provide the feedback. Awesome application. Submit. Feedback is submitted. Let's log out. And we will log in with the second user. Okay. Codebook.in. And we will try to upload the first user. Okay. Number plate. I think I did not remember it. This or this. Okay. This. Let's see this. What if I'm uploading an image? What if I'm scanning an image which is not registered under this application? Let's try this also. So this, okay, number plate is not registered. You can see no driver found. Okay, no driver found in our application. So that is also we are maintaining here. Let's try to upload this one. Scan. Now you can see after scanning, driver details are this. Okay, name is this, email ID is this, contact. Okay, is this, license number is this. Now I can contact directly through call. Let's say call here. Call made successfully. Okay, the call made successfully option is coming. Now let's try one more time with SMS now. Okay, SMS. So what SMS do you want to send? Cost of your vehicle parking. Okay, send. So now the SMS is sent here successfully. Okay, I have received the SMS in my mobile phone. The same message. Let's go to interactions and check here. These are my interactions, two interactions. Okay, one is from call, another is from SMS. My profile and feedback. It's an average application for contacting vehicle owners or drivers. Submit. Added successfully. Let's log out and check in the administrator what we have to see here. User management we have seen. Now under social network, we have an option here, interactions. Two interactions are made here. One is puzzle and another is codebook. And under feedback, if we go, user feedback is there. What are the feedbacks they have given? Here is there. Awesome application, positive feedback. If we go to next page, we can see here the second user also given the feedback, which is neutral. And the sentiment analysis of this feedback graph also we have done. Let's see that sentiment analysis. Here it is. Totally 4 positive feedbacks are there and 1 negative feedback and 1 neutral feedback. So this was the complete application for social network. Hope you have understood it very clearly. This application is okay, very important and very interesting. In fact, the application, because we are using here machine learning. Okay, because we have to scan the number plate here, license plate. We have to scan and get the license number. We have to extract the text from the image. So for that, we have to upload only license plate images. Full license plate image we have to scan. If we upload that, it will, our application by using machine learning, it will extract the license plate number. Okay, and it will store in the database. Based on that only, we can connect or communicate with the drivers through SMS, email, or call. So hope you have understood the things very clearly. If you have any issues regarding the project execution or explanation, you can get back to me. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.